guys, so this is the pre-air filter box on the BMW. So we've taken that off, and I do use something extra. So I run the uni filter here. We oil that up, all right, and then it has two springs that sit inside of it. I've done about 3 day rides, all off-road. So we're going to clean that little sucker. And this is the pre-sock. Check that out, 3 day rides. All right, look at that sucker. Hey, you don't want that sort of going in your Beamer. All right, what I'm going to do, guys, is just give this a second rinse with kerosene. So I clean it with kerosene first, give it a second kerosene rinse, and then I'll go in and do a hot soapy water. But that's how it looks after one Kero wash. About that good. Big difference. Very good. All right, so just give it a second Kero wash, just like this. Be fairly liberal. Very good cleaning oil, Kero. There we go. Good stuff. And basically what I do is not washing detergent for your clothes. I use dishwashing, it's softer, all right? Give it a really good rinse, clean it out, get it all out. And then we'll keep rinsing it with clean water. And then we're gonna pre-oil it again, filter oil it, and put it back in. Really important for a Beamer. Really important for a Beamer. Essential maintenance if you're doing a lot of off-road, guys. So I tend to do this every couple of rides, and it's worth doing. Now guys, girls, that is how clean I want to see this. So now we'll go and put the filter oil on them and reinstall them once we let this dry first. So we're going to let this dry, then we'll put the filter oil on it and we'll put it back into the bike. But just check out how clean that is. This little BMW likes to breathe. Right, again, same thing guys, we're going to use that oil. And don't forget to clean your inner springs, which sit inside the filter here. And of course that goes into the airbox of the Beamer. So make sure you pull them out, give them a good clean. And again, we'll oil up. Now you might think there's no oil going on, trust me, there is. You can see it on there. Right. And just pull it apart too, like so you can get it in there. So what we're going to do here, as you can see, it's clean, it's now dry. I'm going to spray the filter oil. Now we get it in quite liberally. I want to get quite a bit in here. I also have another one, same product, Motul. Pull it inside out as well, just to make sure that I get the oil right through it. Alright, so here's the pre-filtered tube. All we do is just place it back in there like so. Roll it around the top like so. And then I'm just going to put a cable tie around that and it's ready to go back into the bike. So that's the pre-filter, cleaned and oiled.